Hey guys, it's Danielle with Take Care Mama, and I thought I would take you along in my weekly planning. This is my new Plum paper planner for 2020. I recently posted a video of my whole flip through, so I will link that above and below. I gotta get my coffee. Where's my coffee? Okay, so we are the second week of December. The first thing I like to do is up in this corner is the whole month, and I like to kind of put a rectangle around the week we're in. That kind of just helps me organize my brain. So these, if you're not familiar, this is a vertical planner. So this is Monday, this is Tuesday, Wednesday, and I customized each of these rows. The first two, this is a different way of me doing it than I have in the past. I have AM, PM, and I use this kind of as an hourly appointment slash things to do. So tomorrow we have a doctor's appointment for Norma and James, so that's at 12 p.m. So I kind of put it in the middle. Tuesday at 7, pick up Laura. My sister's flying in, and actually she's staying at our house, I think, through Saturday. So I'll make a note of that. Let's see what else I have this week. On Sunday, we have Santa brunch. I don't remember what time that is. I'll have to look. But super fun. We do that with my family and have a brunch, and the kids see Santa, and we do decorate cookies. Okay, you don't need that detail. Let's look at my calendar. I think I don't have too much the rest of the week. Okay. This next column is house. It's kind of like my cleaning stuff or anything personal really I need to do. So I know I kind of like to plan when I'm going to do my laundry. I don't always stick to it, but tomorrow I'm going to do clothes. On Tuesday, diapers, we cloth diaper. Wednesday, J clothes. I do everyone's clothes together except James's. So I'll do his on Wednesday, and then Thursday, clothes. Friday, diapers. And sheets on Sunday. We'll do towels on Saturday. And I'm probably gonna have to do, I'll probably have to do something else on Sunday. Okay. I do a lot of laundry. And then as things come up, well, I know I need to grocery shop on tomorrow. And then other things that, oh, you know what else I need to do? On Tuesday, guest room ready for my sister. She's not coming till the evening, so I'm gonna do that on Tuesday because I have a busy Monday. Okay. This next row is fitness. I just reconnected with my online fitness coach that I worked with years ago. I will link her below. Her name's Holly Rigsby. I love her. I actually won a big contest with her, I don't know, 5 years ago. So I'm trying to get back into shape. I really like her style of workouts. And yeah, she has 3 strength workouts a week, and you can do them whenever you want, but you don't do them next to each other because they're full body strength. So you need a day of rest in between where you can do cardio or nothing, you know. I'm babbling. Okay, so anyways, they're called Workout of the Month, WOM. So I'm gonna do A on Monday, B on Wednesday, and Workout of the Month, C on Friday. And usually I would schedule other things in between interval training and cardio. She's really big on intervals. I'm really out of shape and trying to get back into the swing of things. And I just know for me, committing to these 3 strength workouts a week at minimum is gonna be the best plan of action for me. So that is my promise to myself this month, that I'm gonna be doing 3 strength workouts per week, and they're really short. That's kind of what she's known for. She works with busy moms. They're like 15 minutes at the max. This WOMC I did last week and it's 10 minutes. Okay. I consider meditation fitness, and I do that every day. So I'll put in meditation every day. This next row is YouTube. I am in the middle of Vlogmas, so I'm posting every day. I've done well so far. We're a third of the way done, about. I do a little arrow on days that I'm posting, and since I'm posting every day, we have an arrow on every day. And after I film this, I need to get organized with my plan of action this week. So far, I really only know tomorrow. It's actually, this video is going up tomorrow. Plan with me. And for tomorrow for YouTube, I need to film meal plan. And that actually will be Tuesday's video, but I'm not so sure yet. Again, I need to work on this. And Instagram, I'm also needing to work on, but I try to post once a day. So I'm gonna have these little arrows. I know tomorrow I want a picture of my planner. I kind of try to have the Instagram content correlate somehow with YouTube if I'm posting that day. I don't always post every day on Instagram, especially with Vlogmas. It's been kind of hard, but usually I'm at least 5 days a week. Okay, and then this last row is Young Living. I am obsessed with Young Living and I distribute for them. So actually if you follow me on Instagram, I'd love to have you. If you don't, my handle is takecaremamayt. I have an advent calendar from Young Living right now, and I'm opening it up every day on my Instagram stories. So I don't want to forget. So I'm going to put Advent. And this calendar is the 12 days of Christmas. So unfortunately, the last day will be Wednesday, which makes me really sad. On Monday, I need to ship packages out. I'm putting together fun little things for my team. So I'm gonna do that on Monday. You guys, I hate the post office so much, but I'm gonna go because it says so. So I will schedule other things as the week progresses that I need to do. The last thing is this column. I use this as kind of a tracker of my to-dos. For instance, even though I schedule these strength workouts, I'm gonna put them here as well. So I can see kind of from a bird's, I put C before B. That's okay. Kind of from a bird's eye view of what I've gotten done. And then also I follow how Jen does it, weekly cleaning, kind of. I change it a little bit. So I'll schedule my cleaning as the week goes on, but I put all the things here that I need to do. So I do my dusting and glass all together. How she teaches is instead of cleaning one room completely and moving on to the next, you dust your entire house. Then you vacuum your entire house. Then you mop and Swiffer. I just hate mopping and Swiffering and mopping. I do that once a month. I can't do it every week. I just did it a couple weeks ago. And bathrooms, and sheets, which I think I already scheduled for Sunday. And then also she teaches zone cleaning, and I am in zone 2. Let me know if you guys want more information about that. And then I do something different in here every time, but I'm gonna write Laura is in town. And this is my attempt at a Christmas tree because she's in town for Christmas. Not bad. Okay. So this is a pretty good start to my week, and I will be filling in more info as the week unfolds. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that subscribe button if you'd like to stick around. I'd love to have you. And until next time, take care, mama. Bye, guys.